wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best chip clips. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. A fairly simple option, the Kizmos multipurpose comes as a set of 7 in a full spectrum of colors of the rainbow. Each one has a magnet built into one side, so they're just as useful for keeping your snacks closed as they are for securing report cards to your fridge. Their padded tips add pressure, however they're not the most durable option, and they would benefit from a wider design. At number 9, animal lovers will delight in the designs of the Kikkerland woodlands, each of which is shaped to resemble a fox or hedgehog-like creature in a variety of hues. Thankfully, they'll do their part in keeping actual living critters out of your snacks. These are great for kids' lunches and made of BPA-free plastic, but the designs scratch easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Eschewing the standard multi-part designs of most of its competition, the yueton multipurpose utility stands out because each unit is made from a single piece of bent wire. A colorful vinyl coating improves durability and adds a touch of fun to your cabinets. It's a great deal for a pack of 30, and they work well as clothes pegs too. However, the metal tends to bend over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chip clips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, in bright blue, orange, green and white, the Huntz 4-pack will add a welcome pop of color to any kitchen. Each one is made of rugged plastic with a steel spring and has a 4.3-inch width, which helps form a seal all the way across most bags and pouches. They have oversized finger holes for comfort and are great for cereal, but the pieces tend to come apart easily. Moving up our list to number 6. Designed for thinner plastics and paper packages, the 2-piece IKEA bevara snap together to form a very tight seal. They're available in 2 color choices and come in packs of 10, 20 or 40, so no bag ever has to be left open. These are safe to use in the freezer, and it's a good value for the price. However, they won't work on bags wider than 4 inches. Halfway up our list at number 5. Each piece of the Chef Craft set is bold in color and designed to firmly seal just about any bag or other flexible container, thanks to their wide design. They feature lightly textured ergonomic grips and springs that can hold up to years of use. These are sold as a set of 4 or 8 and are good for larger bags, but the plastic tends to snap below the spring. At number 4, while its components look a bit like hair accessories, the anphsin plastic is designed with all types of snack bags and pouches in mind. It comes with a whopping 38 snap-together pieces in a variety of colors that form a sturdy seal when closed. You get a mix of 4 sizes in bright pastel shades. However, these aren't the longest-lasting option. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Each of the 9 mighty clips is strong enough to endure years of gripping bags of cookies or crackers tight, and is quite stylish thanks to a stainless steel construction with a brushed finish. The set includes 3 sizes to meet a variety of needs. Their design complements modern kitchens, and they feel extremely sturdy. They're easy on arthritic hands too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chip clips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the gripstic doubles down on its commitment to freshness by spanning the full width of just about any snack bag. It keeps its seal in place thanks to its tube-like body that's designed to cinch plastic or mylar in a single fold. It comes as a 3-pack with an easy bag feeding mechanism and a lifetime warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, each set of 8 OXO Good Grips comes with a variety of formats to help you keep everything in your home sealed and fresh. It includes 3 bag cinches designed to replace twist ties and bread tags, plus 1 wide and 4 small but sturdy clamps. They're magnetized on the back with soft color contrasting grips. The wide one can keep cookbooks open. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chip clips, or simply click beneath this video.